Why does your blood sugar rise, and why can't it drop without medication? In this video, you'll master all the details about blood sugar. We'll start by explaining how diabetes, which is directly related to blood sugar, develops and how you can protect yourself from it. Next, we'll examine the symptoms of high blood sugar and dangerous blood sugar levels. Finally, we'll look at common myths about lowering blood sugar and provide practical recipes to help you manage it. Be sure to watch the video until the end so you don't miss anything. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you're ready, let's get started. How does diabetes develop? Diabetes is a condition where the body cannot regulate blood sugar levels. It develops when there are problems with insulin production or usage. There are two main types of diabetes. Type 1 diabetes. This is an autoimmune disease where the immune system attacks insulin-producing cells in the pancreas. As a result, the pancreas produces very little or no insulin. The exact cause of this type is not known, but genetic predisposition and environmental triggers may play a role. This type is rare and generally occurs only in exceptional cases in adults. Type 2 diabetes. This is generally related to lifestyle and diet, though genetic predisposition is important as with most diseases. Significant factors include high carbohydrate intake, low physical activity, and obesity. Can diabetes resolve on its own? Yes, some types of diabetes can resolve on their own. For example, gestational diabetes occurs during pregnancy and usually disappears when the pregnancy ends. This type of diabetes is caused by hormonal changes during pregnancy. In such cases, blood sugar levels may return to normal after treating the underlying issue. How can you protect yourself from diabetes? Protecting yourself from diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes, largely involves making healthy lifestyle choices. Control your diet. A healthy and balanced diet helps keep blood sugar levels stable and reduces insulin resistance. Reduce carbohydrate intake. Consume animal fats in moderation. Pay attention to protein intake and eat foods rich in fiber. The role of physical activity. Physical activity enhances insulin sensitivity, helping the body use glucose more effectively. It is recommended to engage in at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity aerobic exercise per week, such as walking, swimming, or cycling. Additionally, performing resistance exercises 2 to 3 times a week can help build muscle strength. Staying active throughout the day is also important. Avoid sitting for long periods, take short walks, and move whenever possible. How can you recognize high blood sugar? High blood sugar can be a sign of health issues like diabetes and can manifest in various ways. How can we detect this condition? Let's look at the symptoms of high blood sugar. 1. Frequent thirst and urination. High blood sugar causes the kidneys to work harder to eliminate excess glucose, leading to increased thirst and more frequent urination. 2. Fatigue and weakness. Glucose is the body's energy source, but high blood sugar can prevent cells from using it effectively, causing feelings of tiredness and weakness. 3. Hunger. When blood sugar is high, the body cannot use glucose effectively, leading to a constant feeling of hunger. 4. Vision problems. High blood sugar can cause fluid buildup in the eye lens, leading to blurred vision or other vision problems. 5. Slow healing wounds. High blood sugar can weaken the immune system, leading to wounds that take longer to heal. Effects of high blood sugar on the body. Long-term high blood sugar can have many negative effects on the body. It can cause heart and vascular issues by damaging the inner surfaces of blood vessels, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Prolonged exposure to high blood sugar can also damage nerves, leading to symptoms such as numbness, tingling, and pain. Since the kidneys play a crucial role in regulating blood sugar, high blood sugar can cause long-term kidney damage and increase the risk of kidney failure. Additionally, diabetes can cause damage to the retina, leading to vision loss. A condition known as diabetic retinopathy which can result in severe eye problems. Finally, high blood sugar can also negatively affect the skin, leading to more frequent infections and inflammation that are harder to heal. What is a dangerous blood sugar level, and why doesn't it decrease? Blood sugar levels are critical for maintaining the body's energy balance. However, excessively high levels can pose serious health risks. Generally, blood sugar levels should be within a specific range. For example, fasting blood sugar between 70 and 100 mg per deciliter is considered normal, while blood sugar levels under 142 hours after eating are normal. Blood sugar levels above 180 are typically considered high, but dangerous levels are even higher. For instance, in hyperglycemia, blood sugar can be 240 or more. In diabetic ketoacidosis, blood sugar can be 250 or higher, accompanied by ketones in the blood. These situations require immediate medical attention. High blood sugar levels may not decrease due to several factors. There are several reasons why high blood sugar levels might not decrease. Firstly, insulin deficiency or resistance is a significant factor. In diabetic patients, the body either does not produce insulin or develops resistance to it, making it difficult for glucose to be transported into cells and thus lowering blood sugar levels. Secondly, insufficient medication or insulin dosage can result in high blood sugar levels, which may require adjustments in the treatment plan. Additionally, inadequate water consumption can hinder the kidney's ability to excrete excess sugar and toxins, preventing blood sugar levels from decreasing. Finally, stress and illnesses can cause the body to produce more glucose and weaken the effects of insulin, making it harder to control blood sugar levels. What do people with diabetes need? Effectively managing diabetes and maintaining a healthy life involves paying attention to various dietary and lifestyle factors. Here are essential elements for people with diabetes. Diet and fats. Healthy fats like avocado, olive oil, and walnuts support heart health and reduce inflammation. Avoid saturated and trans fats, like fried foods, to lower the risk of heart disease. Whole grains, vegetables, and fruits are rich in fiber and support the digestive system. High fiber foods help maintain stable blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. Balancing caloric intake. Monitoring daily caloric needs helps control weight and can increase insulin sensitivity. Managing weight is crucial in diabetes management. Keeping portion sizes moderate prevents overeating and sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Consuming balanced portions at each meal helps maintain blood sugar control. Addressing vitamin and nutrient deficiencies. Vitamin D can be obtained from sunlight and supplements, as its deficiency may be associated with diabetes. Vitamin B12 deficiency, especially in those using certain diabetes medications, can be addressed with suitable foods, meat, dairy, or supplements. Iron, found in red meat and legumes, and calcium, found in dairy products, are also important. Adequate intake of these nutrients supports overall health and prevents deficiencies. Why should diabetics eat eggs and lemons? Eggs, with their low carbohydrate content and high protein amount, can help balance blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. They also contain nutrients that enhance insulin sensitivity. Lemons, being low in calories and high in vitamin C, support the immune system and contain antioxidants that help prevent blood sugar spikes. Adding lemon can enhance the flavor of your meals, allowing you to use less salt and sugar. These two foods can help create a healthy and balanced diabetes diet in both sweet and savory options. Always consult your doctor before starting any supplement. Myths about lowering blood sugar. 1. Honey myth. Honey, due to its sugar content, is as harmful to diabetics as other sweets. Foods and sweets containing sugar are generally harmful to diabetics and are not recommended. 2. Exercise myth. While exercise can help regulate blood sugar, it does not always lower it. Intense exercise can sometimes cause the body to use glycogen stores to produce more glucose, temporarily raising blood sugar levels. 3. Fasting myth. Skipping meals may temporarily lower blood sugar levels, but prolonged fasting can cause the liver to release glycogen, leading to sudden blood sugar spikes. Home remedies for quickly lowering blood sugar. Recipe 1. Cinnamon and apple cider vinegar mix. Cinnamon can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar. Add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon to a glass of water and mix in a tablespoon of organic apple cider vinegar. Drinking this mixture before meals may help stabilize your blood sugar. Recipe 2. Green tea and ginger mix. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, while ginger has anti-inflammatory properties. Brew a cup of green tea and add freshly grated ginger. Let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, then strain and drink. This beverage may help keep blood sugar under control. Recipe 3. Yogurt and blueberry mix. Blueberries are full of antioxidants and have a low glycemic index. Mix a cup of plain yogurt with a handful of fresh blueberries in a bowl. This mix satisfies sweet cravings and helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Recipe 4. Chia seed and yogurt mix. Chia seeds, with their high fiber and omega-3 content, can help regulate blood sugar. Soak a teaspoon of chia seeds in a cup of plain yogurt overnight. Mix well in the morning and consume. This mix helps stabilize blood sugar and keeps you full longer. Recipe 5. Olive oil and red pepper mix. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants. Mix a teaspoon of olive oil with a teaspoon of red pepper. You can add this mixture to your salads or use it in your dishes. Red pepper can boost metabolism and, when combined with olive oil, may help regulate blood sugar levels. You can manage your blood sugar with these recipes, but remember that every body is different. It is crucial to consult your doctor before starting any supplement and begin using it only after receiving medical advice. We've reached the end of our video. If you've watched this far, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. You can also share the video with your friends and family to keep them informed. See you in the next video. Have a great day.